Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to English virtual class. I hope you all are fine and working hard. Today, you take out your English reader book. We'll complete the Unit 4 E-Generation. In E-Generation, we will start and complete the section C. Let's do section C. First question is punctuate the following passage. Punctuate means you have to use the symbols like capital letter, full stop, comma, like this. So that otherwise you just see it's not, there is no symbol is used here. Like credit cards are a blessing. By carrying a credit card, the person does not have to carry money and feel safe too. Moreover, he need not pay immediately for the things bought by him. Children, first you should try to do it. You should try to put capital letters and comma and full stop. After that, you should check here. I will help you here. Like first, when we start the sentence, we write the sentence, first letter should be capital, like C capital of credit card. See, credit cards are a blessing. By blessing, it means full stop. By B capital, carrying a credit card, comma, the person does not have to carry money and feel safe too, full stop. Moreover, he, comma, before that, he need not pay immediately for the things bought by him. This is the punctuation. Now C2, you must have heard that these days most people don't carry money. Still they can buy things by showing a credit card to the seller. Amazing, isn't it? Have you seen any advertisement of credit cards on television? Discuss with your partner any two advertisements that mention a credit card. Yes, children, you must have seen the credit card with your parents. When you go to buy things, they are using the credit card to for the payment. So you should discuss, but now you're not in the school where you can discuss. You can watch the TV and find the two advertisements that you see in the on the television. You can discuss with your parents also. Next question is C3. You will listen to a radio talk in the Step into the World of Technology series. The topic is what is a credit card? As you listen, complete the table given below. So first you have to come to the page number 106. What is a credit card? Here Isha Sood is saying, good morning friends. This is Isha Sood welcoming you to our Monday evening series, Step into the World of Technology. Today we take up this topic, what is a credit card? I welcome to the program Mrs. Medha Kulkarni and Mr. Deepak Oberoi. They will tell us with the what a credit card really is. Good morning, Mrs. Kulkarni. Good morning, Mr. Oberoi. Now, Mr. Oberoi, hello, Mrs. Kulkarni. Good morning, Isha. Many of us have seen people carrying a small plastic card kept safely in their purses. Mrs. Kulkarni, could you tell us what it is? Mrs. Kulkarni, Isha, what you just described is called a credit card. Credit cards are small cards made of high quality plastic. Isha, what is written on the card? Mrs. Kulkarni, on the front side, you can see the name of the bank, the name of the card holder, and the card number. Isha, okay, so that's what it is. On the front side of the card, we have the name of the bank, the name of the card holder, and the card number. What about the back of the card, Mrs. Kulkarni? On the back side, there are only two things. One is a holder's name, signature, and the other a small band. Isha, the holder's signatures are important, but what is a band for? The band is for the computer. It checks the correctness of the card. Isha, where can the credit cards be used? Mrs. Kulkarni, they can be used at shops, telephone booths, milk booths, ticket counters of railway stations, airports, and many other places. I have seen them being used at shops and petrol pumps too. Isha, but Mr. Oberoi, who issues these credit cards? Mr. Oberoi, well, credit cards are issued by the banks. Isha, What is the maximum amount of money the card holder can spend by using these cards? Mr. O'Brien, you see, banks issue different limits to different individuals. Isha, can the card holder use this credit card in all types of shops? Mr. O'Brien, no, a card holder can use his credit card in some shops only. Isha, membership establishments. Oh, I see. That is wonderful. I'm sure our listeners agree with me if I say credit cards are a blessing in today's e-world. That's all we have for this week, guys. Thank you, Mr. Oberoi, and thank you, Mrs. Kulkarni. Mrs. Kulkarni, thanks a lot, Mr. Oberoi. Thank you. Yes, children, you must have got the CD with this book, with your reader book. You can listen to uh, this part, what I had read, that you can listen from that CD. So now let's do the exercise. So here a credit card, you have to complete this high quality plastic, name of the made of, then is made of is high quality plastic. Front side has name of a bank, name of the card holder and card number. The back side has holder's signature, a band for the computer. Used at shops, telephone booths, railway stations and airports, milk booths and ticket counter. Issued by some of the bank. Maximum amount of money that can be spent using it. Different limits to different individuals. Nowadays, internet is in every home. Although it is a source of both information and entertainment, it also has its disadvantages. Get into groups of 4, discuss the advantages and disadvantages of the internet. In your discussion, include points such as cheap source of entertainment, very informative, children do not go out of the house, takes up too much time, children neglect studies, reading, games. So now you are not in the class, but you have to include all these points in this letter. Now write a letter to your friend telling her what you think about the internet. So now I am helping you here. Call from house, Dreamland City. Here date you have to change. Dear Urvi, how are you? How are you spending your vacation? We did not go out anywhere this year, so I'm really bored. All I do is watch the television or surf the internet. Internet no doubt is one of the best inventions made so far, yet it has made the person lazy. Nevertheless, TV gives us information regarding all fields of life. It is really a cheap source of entertainment, but it wastes the time of students who otherwise should devote time in studies, reading, and playing outside. Watching TV for limited period is good, so we should spend time in playing outside, meeting friends and relatives. Do write back soon. Looking forward to hearing from you. Yours lovingly, Ipshita. So that's all. You have to complete this in your reader book. Your homework is complete all the exercises. Thank you and bye-bye.